Right, I've had a good look at this axle now, and it surprises me, but the old stuff, the old kind of machinery and what engineering, all the metal, cement, it's really thick. Everything's built properly. All them in olden days they did it properly, so even the wheel rims are about, what are they? About 3/8 of an inch thick, the steel on it, so everything's, and the weight of this thing, it's unbelievable. So I think to take these drums off, I think I've got to knock these caps off, take the castle nut off, split pin out. I think it should come off, and we'll have a look. So after a bit of bashing and pulling and thing, I've finally found out that this has got a thread on it. Usually on a trailer, when they usually just braid in, but this one's got a thread on, so which is a bonus. Just tucked a bar in there. Get these Stilsons on. There we go. Whoa, that's a big castle nut, is that? There we go. One big castle nut in there. It's quite a big one, really. And for a thing, look at the size of that nut, it's massive. So there's a split pin in here, like there. So I don't seem to have a spanner big enough for this castle nut, so I've just put the Stilsons on and just going to tap it around, just tap it around with hammer, nice and gentle until it comes loose. There we go. And there we've got washer. Come on. Well, looking at that, the bearings look okay. Right, I've tried on for about 20 minutes now, trying to get this bearing out. It's just a no-go. So what I'm going to have to do is, I'm going to make myself like a pulley tool, just to see if that works. Just keep trying, because I've got to get it off. So what I'm going to decide to do is, say that nut there, and that nut, put a piece of steel on each one, like that, and then put a bolt, and then wind that bolt and pull it against the shaft, just like a normal pulley. So I'll set that up and I'll show you. So my idea is, just give it a wind, a couple of bashes, another wind, and so on. Right, like I said earlier, the brakes here, the shoes, they're just bare metal. So, they should have a bit of like a liner, you know, like on top. But like I said earlier, I'm not going to use the brakes anyway, so because once it's in position where it's going to live when I've finished the trailer, it don't really need to go have like, well, it's like an handbrake, it don't need it. Because once the weight's on the floor and the front foot's on the floor, it can't move. So what I'm going to do is take these brake shoes off. That one. Probably keep the little piston, and that one just to stop any muck getting in. So it's time for the big clean up now. Got all bearings out, all back plates, everything stripped down to the last little nut and bolt. So please join me at next video, and we'll start putting it back together once I've spent hours cleaning all bits up. So cheers guys.